This TikTok channel is likely making lots of money each month using the TikTok creativity program. They have only uploaded 65 videos and their videos get thousands and even millions of views every month. Same goes for another TikTok account with lots of viewers, which clearly means that they are also earning a handsome amount of money. Let's take a look at an example so that you can get to know what it's all about.
If you eat olive oil every day, here's what will happen to your body. You'll reduce wrinkles. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and vitamin 2 skin-benefiting element.
I think now you have the idea what we are talking about. What's interesting is that the health niche doesn't have a specific audience, so it's great for everyone. The only problem is that making content for this niche isn't easy. That's why I'm making this video. I'll show you how to make content like this for your TikTok channel. But before we move forward, I want to tell you that every country is not allowed to join TikTok creativity program. If you're not from the US, UK, Brazil, France, Germany, Japan, or Korea, you're out of luck. But don't worry, I figured out a way to create an eligible TikTok account without any problems. Just watch this video all the way to the end. No matter where you're from, follow these steps, and you can still make a bunch of money on TikTok. Getting a USA TikTok account can be done in two ways. If you search for USA SIM card on Amazon, there you would find number of sellers that are selling these USA SIM cards. You can buy a USA SIM card from these sellers. After that, change your phone's location to the USA and use a VPN to log in to TikTok. This method has worked for many, but sometimes it might not. The second way is to buy a USA TikTok account for a few bucks from a website called fameswap.com. You can find the link in the description below. Just follow their guidelines and they'll deliver your account within a few hours. To make these types of videos, we need 4 things: scripts, AI-generated 3D art of doctors, a deep voiceover, and some relevant stock footage. Let's say you want to create a video about honey and mixed fruits. Simply go to ChatGPT and tell the chatbot that it needs to give you a script for TikTok video telling the benefits of honey and mixed fruits. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a fantastic video script. You can use it to create your own video. If you're ever stuck for video ideas, just turn to TikTok for inspiration. Now we need to create a voiceover for our video. For that, I would be using a website called 11 Labs. It's one of the best text-to-speech AI voice generators out there. There are lots of AI voices in this voice generator, and you can even clone your own voice with it. No need to worry about buying expensive recording equipment. Plus, the cool part is you can monetize your videos using these voices. Once you are in, copy the script part by part, pick a suitable voice from the settings, and create the voiceovers for your entire script. The next step is to generate 3D doctor images for our video. For that, we would be using free AI tool called Leonardo AI. For the prompt I have written, a realistic doctor explaining facts along with vector style and 4K resolution. Keep in mind the model that we would be using is 3D animation style. And as we are generating a short video, so the dimensions would be 3x4. You can clearly see on the screen the tool generated outstanding character. But there is one problem: the image that is generated is in low quality. So, to upscale the image, simply avail all the 3 options and choose what comes out to be the best. Remember, it will take 5 credits each option, but trust me, it's worth it. Now, our next step is to animate our character into a talking avatar. For that, I would be using a website called Studio DID. First, you need to sign up. Once you're signed up, click the Create Video button. Now, you can upload your character by clicking the Add button. After that, you can type your script or upload an audio file with voiceovers. I will add the audio file and then click Generate Video. In just a few seconds, it will create your talking avatar video, and you can easily download it. The last step is to find suitable videos for your short clip. For that, I will use a website called pixabay.com. Just go to Pixabay and search for the videos you need. It's a website with free stock videos and images that you can use without worrying about copyright problems. Once you find the suitable videos, go ahead and download them for free. Lastly, we need background music. Pixabay.com is one of the best websites for copyright-free music. You can download suitable background music from there. Now that we have all the materials, I'm going to use CapCut to edit the video. It's a free video editing software. To start, bring in all the stuff we made and downloaded for the video. First, Drag and drop the voiceovers onto the timeline. Next, add the talking avatar we created. Now, add suitable videos and images to match the script. Mix them with the talking avatar to make your video unique. Go to the transitions in the top menu and add suitable transitions between clips and images. This will make your video more interesting. Take your time editing to ensure it looks great. Once you are done with the above steps, add a background music that you just downloaded from Pixabay. Lower its volume to match the voiceover and trim it according to your timeline. Now let's add captions. CapCut can automatically generate captions. Go to the text in the top menu, choose Auto Captions, select the language, and press Generate. In a few seconds, captions will appear. Adjust their size, color, and fonts from the side menu. Also divide the captions into different parts where needed. When you are done, import the video. Let's take a look at the final result.
Did you know that honey is a natural energy booster? It's packed with antioxidants and can be a game changer for your immune system. A spoonful of honey a day keeps the doctor away. It's great for soothing sore throats, too. Now, let's talk about mixed fruits. Mixing different fruits together creates a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. Berries for antioxidants, bananas for potassium, and citrus fruits for that immune-boosting vitamin C. And when you combine honey with mixed fruits, you get a delicious symphony of flavors. The natural sweetness of honey enhances the taste of the fruits. Plus, honey is a healthier alternative to refined sugars. It adds sweetness without the guilt. So there you have it. The amazing benefits of honey and mixed fruits, both individually and together. If you enjoyed this, give it a like, share, and tag a friend who needs a sweet and healthy boost.
This is greater than I anticipated. I understand this process takes time and isn't super easy, but try to upload at least 2 videos every day. Many new creators struggle to get views on their first videos, and that's okay. Your first video might not go viral, but don't let that discourage you. Keep uploading until one of your videos go viral. Remember, all it takes is one great video to go viral. With that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope you learned something valuable. If you like this video, a subscribe and like to the video would be great. Until next time, happy creating.